Hey, what's going on everyone? In January, Vivo launched the 5G variant of the Y75, which is called the Vivo Y75 5G in India, and Vivo is preparing to launch a 4G variant of the same. Vivo has confirmed the design, the launch date and the specs of this device, and we are going to explain everything to you in this video. So please bear with us till the end of this video. My name is Sovik and welcome to Phone Politics. Let's get started. Before we jump right into the video, we want to tell you something important. Almost 90% of you watching our videos have not subscribed to our channel. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for future updates. As per a report, Vivo Y75 4G India launch has been set on May 22nd. The Vivo handset is set to come with a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a water drop notch. Now let's talk about the full specifications of Vivo Y75 4G in brief. Citing industry sources, 91 Mobiles claimed that the rumored Vivo Y75 4G will feature a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a water drop notch to house the selfie camera. Under the hood, the Vivo phone is claimed to come equipped with a MediaTek Helio G96 SoC, which could be paired with 8GB of RAM. As per the report, the handset can also borrow up to 4GB of RAM from storage. For photography, the Vivo Y75 4G is claimed to sport a triple rear camera setup, which could be headlined by a 50-megapixel primary sensor. It could be paired with a 8-megapixel secondary sensor and a 2-megapixel third sensor. On the front, the phone is claimed to get a 44-megapixel shooter for selfies and video camera. It could get 128GB of inbuilt storage, and the phone is claimed to come equipped with an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric security. The Vivo Y75 4G is set to pack a 4020 mAh battery with the support of 44-watt fast charging, and it may weigh 172 grams. The price part of this phone is still unknown to us, but Vivo might price the Y75 4G under 22,000 in this country. The Vivo Y75 5G is sold at 22,000 in India for 8GB plus 128GB of configuration. The Y75 4G differs in quite a lot of ways when compared to its 5G counterpart. For instance, the Y75 5G only has support of 18-watt fast charging, while 4G is said to feature a 44-watt fast charging. As mentioned, Vivo has already launched the Vivo Y75 5G in India. It sports a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display and is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 700 SoC. The phone also features a triple rear camera setup that features a 50-megapixel primary sensor, 2-megapixel macro camera and a 2-megapixel bokeh camera. There is a 16-megapixel selfie camera at the front. It packs a 5000 mAh battery that supports 18-watt fast charging over USB Type-C. So that is all for today's video. If you have any question regarding this video, you can leave your comment in the comment section below. If you find this video informative, then please hit the like button. A like will encourage us to make more exciting videos for you. If you're still not subscribed to Phone Politics, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Also follow us on social medias, the links are in the description. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.